Creating green screen clips takes forever when using keyframes. But what if I told you there's an easier way to make any video into a green screen clip in less than 60 seconds? That's coming up right now. Welcome back to another video. I'm Adam, otherwise known as Bam Banana Man, and I like to create videos to help content creators and streamers. In this video, I'm going to show you the power of an online editor, Runway. And did I mention this editor is free?
Wow.
Runway is a free to use online video editing software that is fully capable of creating stunning videos. On top of the video editing portion, it has powerful AI tools such as creating a green screen clip video, in painting, and motion tracking. But what we're going to use it for is that green screen clip, which takes all the hard work out with a few clicks and a little bit of fine tuning, and just an export, and you're done. It's that simple. So let's go ahead and jump in onto the computer. First thing you want to do is go to the Runway website, which I will leave linked down in the description below. Go ahead and sign up. And once you're signed in, you're going to go ahead and go to create new project, green screen, and you'll upload the media that you want to have clipped for the green screen. After your video is uploaded, go ahead and pull it down into the timeline where it says select or drop a video to get started. And this is where the power of the AI goes into play. You'll click what you want to have masked. And you'll see after 2 clicks, it masks the penguin. You can add a little bit more, or you can refine it up here, hit exclude, zoom in a bit. This way you can fine tune your clip, which I think it looks pretty good here for me. And now from here, you just export and it automatically switches it to the green screen background. But you can change it to blue, pink, whatever you need to avoid those colors when you key it out later for the program or video that you're doing later. Export the mask. After it's exported, you'll head on over to your back to projects, go down to assets, and it should be uploaded by then. And then you'll right click, download, and then it's ready to be used for your videos. Now you can create all the green screen clips that your heart desires to make those viral TikToks, YouTube videos, and stream alerts for your streams. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to tippity tap that like button and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And bam, see you next time.